Meaning of hydel.
hydel,
Hydel.
hydel,
Hydel. The term hydel is a short form of hydraulic power plant, which refers to a power station that generates electricity by harnessing the energy of falling or flowing water. These power plants typically use a dam to create a reservoir of water, which is then released through turbines to generate electricity. Hydropower is considered a clean and renewable source of energy, as it does not produce greenhouse gas emissions or other pollutants. Additionally, hydropower can provide a reliable source of electricity even during periods of high demand, making it an important part of many countries' energy mix.